Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I made this Care Bear inspired resin charm. It's cute and very easy to make. Let's start resin! I will be using this teddy bear silicone mold today. First, I'm going to mix my resin. Each teddy bear requires around 15 grams of resin, so I'm going to mix 15 grams of part A with 5 grams of part B. Mix the resin together until it becomes clear. And now for the fun part, mix in glitters and color pigments. I even added in pink and blue glitters to make it extra sparkly. Mix it well and pour it into the teddy mold. Remove any air bubbles with a heat gun and let it cure overnight. Here is another green one that I've made. Look at how sparkly it is with the glitters. After the teddy bear has been unmolded, I added another thin layer of white resin to the belly. This helps to make the ornament in the belly to pop. Spread it out evenly. And pop away any air bubbles. Use UV resin to glue the ornaments in the belly. I also colored in the eyes with black acrylic paint. These are the ornament pieces that I've made with clay, and I used silicone to make a mold out of it. You can also use other molds for the ornaments, like this cookie decoration mold that I found in my local dollar store. It has many cute designs as well. As for the teddy bear cheeks, I used these decorative stickers and it fits perfectly into the cheeks. I found this in my local dollar store as well. It's super cheap and it comes in many different colors. After all the ornaments have been glued, it's time to cut out some transparent film to cover the belly. Put some UV resin around the belly and cover it with the transparent film. You can choose to make it into a shaker by putting in some oil and glitters, but I choose to make mine a dry shaker instead, with just the Care Bear inspired ornament inside. Because I'm using UV resin, I need to cure it under the UV lamp. When it's cured, it's time to dome it with resin. I mix 2-part epoxy resin and wait for around 30 minutes before using it. This helps the resin to become more viscous, so it doesn't flow down from the sides. This is by far the best method I found to dome resin. Pop out all the air bubbles and let the resin harden overnight. Look at how smooth and perfectly domed it turns out to be. And it's done! You can turn it into a keychain, phone grip holder, and many more. Just be creative and have fun with it. Hope you enjoyed this watch me resin tutorial and see you again in my next video. Bye bye!